Welcome to our YouTube video on how to choose a different feed view on Instagram. In this full guide, we will show you the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. To begin, open the Instagram app on your device. Step 2. Once the app is open, locate the large Instagram logo in the upper left corner of the display. It's usually positioned at the top left of the screen. Step 3. Tapping on the Instagram logo will reveal two options: Following and Favorites. These are the different feed views you can choose from. Step 4. If you select Following, the app will take you to a curated feed alternative. This view will display posts from the people you follow, allowing you to see their latest updates and content. Step 5. On the other hand, if you choose Favorites, the app will show you posts exclusively from the people you have favorited. This can be particularly useful if you want to focus on a specific group of accounts or prioritize certain content. Note: remember that you'll need to switch to a custom feed view every time you open the app, as the option won't stay selected. That's it. Now you can easily choose a different feed view on Instagram by following these simple steps. Customize your feed experience and view posts based on your preferences.